In this video, I'm going to show you how to run local agentic AI on your Mac using MLX. MLX is Apple's open source machine learning framework built specifically for Apple Silicon. I will show you how to set up MLX, download an open source LLM, and build AI agents that can run completely offline. If you're a beginner exploring local AI for the first time or a developer building AI coding agents, this guide walks you through everything step by step. If you're going to install MLX on macOS, then choose the right local LLM for your hardware and build an agentic workflow that can reason, use tools, and complete multi-step tasks. And lastly, we will connect the MLX server with OpenCode to build a real-world application. So what is MLX? It is Apple's open-source machine learning framework built specifically for Apple Silicon. Unlike most AI frameworks that were originally designed for NVIDIA GPUs, MLX is optimized for the Apple Silicon Mac. It takes advantage of Apple's unified memory, allowing the CPU and GPU to share the same memory resources. This lets you run large AI models efficiently and completely offline. You will also hear the term agentic AI throughout this video. Unlike a regular chatbot that only responds to prompts, an agentic AI can use tools, run commands, read and write files, and build applications. MLX works only on Apple Silicon Macs from the M1 all the way to the latest M-series chips. The most important specification is unified memory, because the entire AI model has to fit into memory. More RAM allows you to run larger and more capable models. Now for this demonstration, I will be using base M4 MacBook Air. Now let's install MLX on Apple Silicon. Go ahead and open Terminal and run this command to install the Xcode command line tools. This also installs the required Python environment. Next, go ahead and check your Python version and make sure you're running Python 3.12 or later. Now go ahead and create a workspace for MLX. Then go ahead and create a Python virtual environment inside it. Then activate the virtual environment by running this command. Once it's activated, you are working inside an isolated Python environment. And lastly, upgrade pip by running this command. Now install MLX using pip. This automatically installs the MLX framework as a dependency, so you don't need to install MLX separately. Once the installation finishes, run this command to display your device information. If you see GPU 0, that confirms MLX is successfully using Apple's Metal GPU backend. Next, head over to Hugging Face and choose an MLX compatible model. I will be using Qwen 3.5 9B with 4-bit quantization. Then start the MLX chat environment and paste the model tag to download it. If you run into an error, install the compatible Transformers version by running this command. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, MLX opens an interactive chat window. Just go ahead and type any prompt to make sure everything is working. And as you can see, it's running really fast. When you're done working with the chat session, press Q or Ctrl+C to exit. I have also downloaded another model called ONIT 1.0. Now let's turn our local model into real AI coding agent by connecting the MLX server with OpenCode. I will be using ONIT 1.0, one of the best open source coding models with strong agentic capabilities. Now first create a JSON configuration file and copy these lines. Now this configuration tells OpenCode to connect to my local MLX server and use the default model. Everything runs entirely on my Mac. Now let's start with a simple greeting. The first request takes a bit longer because the model has to load into memory. Then later, the responses become much faster. Now let's ask ONIT to fetch my system specifications. Now most models struggle with this task, but ONIT handles very well. It executes the bash commands, gathers the information, and formats everything. Now let's build something real. Now for this demo, I'm switching to Qwen 3.5 4B, which runs much faster on my hardware. I have started the MLX server with the Qwen 3.5 model and OpenCode. Then I asked it to build a modern to-do list application from scratch. It needs to generate the code and create all the required files. And as you can see, the model reasons through the task, creates the project structure, writes the code, and builds the entire application without relying on any cloud APIs. It took around 7 minutes to complete, which is surprisingly very fast. And this is the result. Now keep in mind that MLX is mainly intended for development and experimentation. If you are planning to do serious local AI coding, I would recommend using either LM Studio or Ollama with MLX compatible models and connecting them to OpenCode. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you can run local agentic AI on your Apple Silicon Mac using MLX. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.